Okay, first I want to say hello, Doc and Ann. Here you guys are interested in the website. My name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. So I figured I'd shoot you this quick little video and point out a few things that you need to get yourself recognized on Google and increase the value of your company and your exposure. So with a website, you need content, backlinks, and citations. Now, many companies build beautiful websites, but they will fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization. So everything that you type into here, into this Google search, is considered keywords. And Google uses those keywords to find websites that best fit the search for what you've typed. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to what's typed in. And then they categorize these websites based on their content and their keywords. This is how you establish rank. Um, so, of course, we have ads. Of course, we have the maps. To get recognized in the map section, that comes from citations. You need citations is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it's highly recommended that you get one. It directly connects your business to citations and helps you rank in this pack right here. Citations include Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So everything underneath the map is considered an organic rank, unless it is an advertisement like Yelp. So how do you get yourself to the first page? How do you get exposure? So I typed in tree service, Sanford, North Carolina. Of course, you are not here, but I wanted to give you an example of why these particular websites are here or how you get on the first page. So we have professional tree service. This is their website here. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So Google recognizes this, and this is how you establish the rank through this content and this SEO. So we take a look at this. He's here, and I have a tool, so I can plug it in. The tool is Ahrefs, and it tells me what's going on behind the scenes with his website. He has 21 backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that you have quality backlinks. I will step in here for a second. Come on, come on. Now's not the time to be running slow. Okay, so the domain rank is how strong the backlink is and the kind of traffic that comes through it. And this is per month. 623,000 views are coming per month through this dataends.com, Quality Tree Service Company Profile Management. So you want backlinks that are strong that connect to you. Okay, that's just a quick little look at that. Also, the referring domains, name, address, phone number, things that you are connected to through your Google business profile, and the kind of traffic that they get each month. Again, here we go, 623,000 on that, 148,000 through this researchinsight.com. So it's important to have quality backlinks, citations. Also, keywords play a big part. So you want to be recognized in your Google search for what's being typed in. You want somebody to find you for the keywords. That's okay. I accidentally closed that. I will go to the next one because I also had Phil Stone tree removal pulled up. He falls underneath him in the number 3 spot. So we can see that he has 17 backlinks, 6 domains, and he's got keywords. I was just going to pull the other keywords up. I can show you his as well. So when you're thinking about keywords, this is how you get recognized in the search engine, SEO. So obviously they're looking for his name. Tree removal Sanford, 30 times a month. Stone, that's his name. How about stump removal companies, 150 times a month. Local stump removal, 50 times a month. Carolina stump and tree service, 30 times a month. So your keywords and the amount of volume is your exposure to potential customers and clients while they're looking for you. It is extremely important that these things come together. Once these things start to come together, you start to outrank your competition, or you will be quickly seen and valued by Google and move to the first page. Without SEO, without content, you simply will not move, you will not be seen. So with that being said, I hope that provides a little bit of insight for you as to what it is that you need for a website. Also, let me throw this in there too. Pictures. When you have pictures on your website, for example, this is my business website, but when you want to save pictures, when you put pictures in your website, you want them linked to your website. So I want to save this picture. It should say Belanger Solutions SEO Web Design. That is what you want. You do not want a website that has pictures, for example, that do not have, so we want to save this image, a bunch of numbers. It's not connected to the website. Save that image. It should say Fillstone tree removal or Treemasters tree service for you. And those are just little tips and tricks that help attach and Google recognize your business that much more. It'll make your trust in Google that much stronger. It gets recognized. I believe it's called a meta tag, and you definitely want that. So I wanted to throw that in there just to explain any picture that you have. You want it to connect to your site. So with that being said, I hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. If you would like some more information, we can talk. I can do some research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business and your goals, what you guys are looking to do. And I appreciate your time. I hope that helped. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.